Hello guys, I hope you are well, and in this lesson we are going to talk about and how to create my first web page in HTML. Okay, if you want to make a website and web page, then at first you have to open your code editor. Okay, now I'm going to open my code editor. Already I have opened my code editor, and you have to write first of all which you have to write, and write HTML. This is the starting tag and this is the ending tag. Okay, now I'm going to next one. You have to head, and in head you can write the website title, which you have added any slash. This is called ending tag, and you can write here my first web page in HTML. Okay, next one, in after head, then we write body tag. Body tag, this is the first, this is the starting tag, this is the ending tag. And you can write in your body tag, you can write heading, head 1. This is my first website. Now write your paragraph and which content you want to write. Then fee tag. Paragraph means fee means paragraph. In this lesson we are gonna talk about how to create a first page in your HTML. Now when you have written the code successfully, then you have to save, because we are using the brackets. First of all, when you write any code, then you have to save this file. And okay, now I'm going to save this file. I'm just writing the name of my page, my first web page in HTML. Right, and okay, now I'm going to save in this one. Okay, already I have opened this one. You can play from this website. Just right here. Then when the button will be fully yellow color, then when you change anything else, then automatically this, and that will be appeared here. Then dot, then save. When you save, then you see there is some some changes already is happening automatically when you changes here. Then blogger at fun. You can find me on YouTube. Then right, then you can save. Then I see here everything is happening, whatever I'm changing here. So this is my first page, and thank you so much, and see you on next video.